Trek hom net toe.
Okay, look at some of these birds here. He's going to highlight. Now, the reason why I'm going to highlight some of these birds, because you may remember when I highlighted Casey at Repticon a couple of months ago, the link for that video, I talked about how the commitment of having a bird is. It's going to be a long commitment, and a lot of times you're going to have to give it to your kids, your grandkids, by the time you're ready to die. So look at some of these beautiful birds. So what kind of birds are these?
Different. These are sun conures. Your normal sun conures.
Yeah.
These are sun conures.
How long do these live usually?
No, sun conures. I will guess about 30 years.
Alright, well, 30 years, so guys,
For a
hear
small
that?
bird like this, it's very long.
Yeah, some birds can live even up to 80 plus years.
Yeah, your greys, your macaws, those.
Yeah. I highlighted it on my last video.
African greys. African greys can over 80 years.
Yeah. I remember my recent video, Repticon, I highlighted a umbrella cockatoo that came in as a rescue. I remember telling everyone that these things live a long time and you guys have really got to do your homework. Plus, I don't know if you can hear me well, but these things are loud. If you live in an apartment, these are going to really bother you. But I'm trying to between two conures here. Have a look at these. These are from South America. I remember when I got my boa, we had my goose conure. We said, now I got 2 pets in South America. But these are wonderful birds. A little bit. I'd say these are for beginners.
These are crimson belly conures.
Sorry, what are these?
Like crimson belly conures.
crimson
Those
belly.
with the completely red breast when they mature.
Oh, right.
But these two are mutation. These are a dark green. It's a new color. Here are the standard colors.
All right. Oh, have a look at these.
Look at that color compared to that. This is a complete new mutation I'm working with.
Spicy monkeys. Have a look at how you feed them. The ends and everything.
There's a complete different
Yeah.
This is a crimson and a
Have a look at these blue cheek conures.
blue throated conures. No, this is not green cheek. You can bring them now.
Oh, Mike, forget that.
There's green cheek.
Have a look at these green cheeks here. I remember Joey. I remember troublemaker I was with him. I miss having a bird, but the truth is, I'm in an apartment that really want. Birds aren't really the best pets for apartments, just because they're really noisy. But you really have a lot of space. It's gonna make wonderful pets. Back.
All of these covers you made yourself, huh? Covers.
Yeah, the little chips, they come out. And then they live all over the...
Ah, beautiful.
No, they get, when they color up, they're even more beautiful. When they
tell you.
Kom, nee, jy gaan jouself gee, man.
Got up. Just a second. Just might go my camera.
Well, not bad.
They're fast birds. Now, do you guys trim their wings? Clip their wings at all or not?
No.
Okay. You don't do that?
Because the clients don't want...
Sorry?
The clients don't want clipped wings.
Oh.
Because these mostly go for breeding.
Oh.
You know, like, these are CITES 1. They critically endangered.
Really?
Yeah, blue-throated conures.
Wow. So,
There's also green cheek. This is a double-factor violet turquoise pineapple.
have a look at these. Now look at that bluebird.
Yeah, it's a double-factor pineapple turquoise.
Have a look, guys. Have a look at how beautiful it is. It's a beautiful bird. Oh, it's trying to fly you right now. So do you guys have an aviary, you said?
Eh?
You guys said you have a massive aviary.
No, we've got lots of aviaries, not massive aviaries.
Well, a lot of aviaries. Just the ideal setup you want to have for a bird, not like cage that, not like a cage like this big or something. It's not ideal for these birds. You want to have like a big.
I breed in small cages.
Oh, you do?
My cages for the conures is 600 by 600 but 1.2 meter deep.
Yeah.
They do best in there because they can't. If your flight is too big and something bad weather or if they fly at night or they hurt themselves.
Oh.
Cool. Yeah.
They get a double dose and they're bigger.
No, he wants more. Come down. The other one didn't want more. This one I just took out to make this. It's a bit big when I took it out. So
Oh, look at these. These are
Planted Amazon.
these are neighbors of these.
Planted Amazon.
Oh, these are blue planted Amazons. Have a look at how these things. I can't only imagine these things when they get much bigger. These are beautiful.
Ja, lekker weer goed.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Now, have a look at this one here.
Yeah, more.
This is a, I think it's another
Sun.
Amazon. It's back there.
Another sun corner.
And these are another
Sun
Sun
cornea.
corner.
Sun Corniers as well. These bunches of my birds.
These are standard normal sun corners. Those are red, plus a misty. It's a double mutation combination.
Yeah. Have a look at this. We'll take it out. I don't think anyone's got.
The country they gonna release some now.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's about
They're gonna release
over
some.
90 of them now.
There. Well, only 90 left.
Captivity.
Wow. Now these are more Sun Corniers.
Yeah, this
Birds
is,
are awesome. You know,
this is some
I love birds at all.
This is a red factor misty.
have a look at it.
Mutation combination.
You don't rescue macaws and stuff at all, do you? So guys,
There's not many rescues in this country.
wow. Not a lot of rescue
Very
places.
little, you know, like on macaws and that gets neglected. Because they're so big that somebody will take care of them.
Yeah. That's what I always talk about. Often, a lot of birds get rescued, like macaws.
We've got birds like, it's actually like rescues, but you don't get them for free. We bought them. Man, and we use them for breeding now.
Yeah.
But they were in bad condition when we got them.
Yeah.
Some of them, the feathers still, they'll never come right because
We'll buy them impulsively.
that is good.
Inside.
Oh, Lisa, come, please, come.
I'm like,
Come.
I feel like what's his name from Owen Grady from Jurassic World, kind of this video. Peanut butter. You know,
Yeah, our biggest thing is always to get the market, not for the birds, but the rest. And that's what more in export.
yeah.
Because our economy it's too small, especially in reptiles. Our reptile industry is too small.
It was bigger a couple of years ago, eh?
Yeah, not much. You must remember, as soon as we produce a lot of the things, how many people keep reptiles in South Africa?
Wow, really?
Percentage-wise, I think it's not even a thing of years.
Wow.
Come,
Maybe to find more, 'cause I was thinking of having our EAB reptiles distributed here in South Africa. Good to know that, so I'm hoping to really find a way to get people excited about these animals. Oh, have a look at these guys. This is heaven for me.
come.
Have a look here. More Sentinels. I don't know if these are.
En jij? Jij van dit. Kom.
Oh, I didn't know these things were. We kept Joey in one of these, right? Remember?
Ja.
I love these kind of birds. An African gray there. Two African grays.
This one go.
It's a.
Like this female.
No, here.
Ja. Net als zijn
More birds here. Nothing in here.
Maar dit is een statement. Kom.
This would be a good monitor cage,
Kom.
to be honest.
Kijk, het zal voor je. Kom eens af.
Have a look at these sun canoers here. These are some beautiful. These are lovebirds?
No, they're conures.
Conures. More conures. But you said lovebirds for a second. I'm like, what? Have a look at these here. These are more conures. Yeah. A lot of these birds Rassie breeds here, but a lot of them, really, I think these are all great beginner birds, but you just have to make sure it's not the best pet for an, again, not the best pet for an apartment. I think maybe if they have a big enough space where they won't bother their neighbors. Unless you can find a way to make sure they're keeping quiet, but it's highly unlikely.
This is noble macaws. You get
Noble.
the Hans macaw with the biggest black. And these are nobles. Nobles
Look at
is
those
much
guys.
more rare.
These are really a pleasure to treat seeing here in South Africa. I've never seen these before in my life. Back in the ball python room, have a look.
Just the goby gene on its own.
Has another beautiful goby. Did you name these after the fish or just have a look at the pattern here? Beautiful orange marks. This is an Angolan python. These are much like ball pythons, except their scales are a little bit beadier. Let me see if I can quick highlight here. They're a lot. This is an Angola. They're a lot more.
And I've got
No,
eggs from,
these
from the same female again. In
These
the
guys are.
incubator.
Look at this one, guys. Let me show you. This is what you call. This is the goby with the ivory. This is the yellow-bellied to yellow-bellied pairing that I told about when Peter Call produced the first ivories back in. He showed it to Chad Brown, former NFL player for all you Seahawks fans. He produced our All-Pro Exotics. But have a look. Now look at the back pattern here. Ooh, doggy, this is a beautiful ivory ball python. This is one of my favorites of all time. Of course, next to the pied. This is I'll take a few shots of him. Now have a look at this. This is a butter, possible inchy. He said spider leopard. These are two dominant genes, one codom, and this is just one beautiful snake. Now look at the pattern. I tell you, I think ball python is really getting popular when you have these mutations in.
But what's nice
Now have a look at this. This is a butter, possible inchy. He said spider leopard. These are two dominant genes, one codom, and this is just one beautiful snake. Now look at the pattern. I tell you, I think ball python is really getting popular when you have these mutations in.
But what's nice
The ball python room here. Have a look, guys. He said this is the GHI, which stands for gotta have it. This is the GHI, what is it?
butter entry spider.
Butter entry spider. I hope you guys heard that. That's a beautiful snake.
Look at purple.
Yeah, you got pretty much.
You can't get it on the photo correct, but look how purple that is.
Yeah, have a look, guys. And when you add the GHI is a codom trait. Pretty much, when you breed two GHIs together, you'll get an almost all black snake, right? Which is another way. This is a beautiful. GHI is also got to be one of the best ball python morphs out there. I tell you, these ball pythons are blowing my mind. Another one right there. It's just some beautiful ball pythons.
So you just take the eggs.
I had an amazing time in Pretoria, having an amazing time here in South Africa. You know how much I love these animals here. If you ever come to South Africa, you've got to come to South Africa when you get a chance. It's having an amazing time here. Let me know what bird you thought was cool, what reptile, whatever. As Brian Barczyk says, blah blah blah. Smash that like button, be kind to somebody, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, feed your animal obsession. Have an amazing rest of your weekend whenever you happen to be watching. God bless.